Hi, this is Rhonda Zollner, and I'm the Executive Director here at Brain Balance of Plainfield. I'm happy to have this opportunity to tell you about Brain Balance's developmental program and how it can be helpful to you or to someone you may know. After you listen to this overview, we are available to speak with you about any additional questions you may have or how to get started in our program. You can reach us at 317-707-7452 or brainbalance.com for any additional information. Here you see the developmental iceberg, a graphic that is frequently used to illustrate how basic skills mastered when a child is very young provide the foundation for higher level skills learned and refined over time through life experiences. When families first call us, they most often tell us about challenges in areas of complex learning and skill mastery. Observable ways that behavior, academic learning, emotional regulation, processing, decision making, and other important areas of human function are not in line with same age peers. They're looking at a family member or at themselves and seeing that abilities to calm anxious thoughts, pick up on social cues, direct and sustain attention, control emotional outbursts, comprehend what is heard or read, or the like are not where they should be. This is a big issue, and what is most available to help is either medication that provides temporary improvement or very system specific intervention. Approaches that try to teach a skill in a new way when the mainstream way of teaching it didn't seem to work, that reward or punish or create a behavior plan to adhere to, or that drill rote skills over and over without them coming naturally through appropriate processing and reasoning. At Brain Melons, we take a really different approach. We view these challenges as developmental in nature and know that can be addressed. We say if an individual isn't able to master complex skills at levels that are the norm for his or her age, let's tackle the problem at its root. Let's go back to the basic earlier to integrate functional systems of the body and strengthen them from the bottom up and help them to synchronize as they are the component parts of those higher level complex skills and abilities. The Brain Mounts program is designed to do exactly that, to address these developmental issues from the bottom up. We know that repeated activation from regions of the brain together lead to permanent connections between those regions, and many people are familiar with the saying, neurons that fire together wire together. We want to make sure that the wiring of the individual's brain is what we expect it to be at his or her age, enabling age appropriate day to day function. As I said earlier, strengthening simple circuits in the brain creates a solid foundation for the establishment of more complex, refined networks that support the mastery of complex skills. Improvements in those areas of complex skill mastery allow an individual to feel more successful and to have better self esteem. On the path to a point where life is easier, less effortful, and more rewarding and happier. In fact, the brain's neural pathway connections are the neurological equivalent of all learning, behavior, processing, coordination, comprehension, and reasoning. All of those important things we should be getting better and better at throughout our lives. The wonderful thing is, we see the persistence of struggles and challenges. We can revisit aspects of earlier development and improve them. Understanding of the brain and insight into the processes that jumpstart growth and neuroplastic change will allow us to influence the wiring of the brain in desirable directions. The fact that we're doing this in a way that is drug free and non medical at Brain Melons makes our program even more attractive to many people. The program essentially combines a whole range of scientific validated activities across multiple modalities into an integrated circuit. These activities and exercises have been shown to strengthen the systems of the body and activate the regions of the brain that control them. Done frequently and intentionally, and targeted to areas of weakness for a long enough duration, these progressively challenging process leads to improvement in whole brain timing and communication, which in turn leads to positive and observable growth and change. Here at Brain Balance of Plainfield, we offer families 3 different programs, depending on which program fits best for their family. Our program options are in center, at home, or hybrid, which is a combination of both. We first start with a comprehensive assessment, which gives our families all the information they need to feel excited and optimistic about brain balance. On our end, this assessment gives us the baseline levels of your child to start the process. Our goal is to create a customized program plan that is the best fit for each participant, one that will set each family or individual up for success. Our wonderful and very often life changing results are replicable and have been produced for tens of thousands of individuals over more than 15 years. The Brain Balance program includes at home components and the support families need to do their part at home consistently and with confidence. Home exercises help to reinforce work that is being done in the center and add to the program's effectiveness. As we build function through exercises and activity, we make positive lifestyle changes to create an environment that's conducive to growth. Our nutrition team introduces healthy, clean eating practices to address any inflammation or nutritional deficits. Our brain balance approach is what most families are hoping to find. They don't want to accommodate or put a temporary band aid on a frustrating situation, or to simply lower their expectations. They want to truly move past challenges and towards a better future situation, or what we call life after brain balance. There is a lot of research supporting our program's approach that we are very happy to share with you. We also have a wonderful team that is eager to connect with you to hear what's going on that's making things harder than they should be, and to help you understand how you can do this productive work. We look forward to starting a conversation with you at your convenience and encourage you to reach out by phone, text, or submitting your information via our website at brainbalance.com. Thank you, and we hope to hear from you.